zombie apocalypse.
What is happening, guys? Welcome to I'm Face Forum Exploring episode 7, a new series which I'll be sharing with you every Monday. In this series we'll dig deep into the forums and bring you some custom PCs like no others. And as always, I'll leave a direct link to the forum thread in the description below. Let the forum exploring begin. So guys, you know how it works. We start and we choose a build. Well, we've already found it. It's called Mini Motor Mayhem. Pretty much this guy's going to transform one of his old dirt bikes, mini dirt bikes that he's not using anymore, and he's going to build a PC on it, but the dirt bike is still going to be working as normal. So let's begin. Starting off, guys, here is the motorbike that he's going to be using. Obviously he's going to strip all of that back, try and fit all of his components in there while still keeping the motorbike motor so it's in working order. He still wants the motorbike to be running as well as function as a computer. So we'll see how he does this later on in the build. So starting off, guys, he tries to position things and find a way to fit all of his computer components without affecting his riding ability. Now what he's done here is he's going to build the reservoir into this main tank here. So he's cutting out a section and then he's going to make a custom reservoir to fit in place. Now this is sort of what it's going to look like, but for now he's just using a Coke glass just to sort of give us the idea. So he stripped the whole bike of paint, and he's also made that tube come out so that the liquid can go from inside, from his components, into the reservoir. And of course he needs a motherboard tray, so why not strip his old PC out and cut out that motherboard tray to fit within his motorbike. And how about a new seat for the build, guys? He has gone ahead and he actually had to ask his girlfriend for this and sewed on some material on top of it just for a new clean look. And here he is just measuring out some custom panels just so he can hide all of that wire work and keep everything nice and managed. A few custom brackets makes for a nice clean look with the radiator placement underneath there, and that is the positioning, as you can see right there, with the motherboard tray also installed. If you look in the center of the bike, guys, you can see he's also got his power supply installed now for the PC, so everything's working. And here is that custom reservoir that I was talking about at the beginning, guys. CNC milled out so that it can fit nice and flat and flush within the top section, as I showed you at the beginning. Of course, the new build wouldn't be complete without a new paint job, so he is actually sanding back all of the old paint. He's going to give it a nice fresh paint job, and hopefully it really makes this build punch, because so far it's quite a unique build and I'm really keen to see how the end paint job turns out. And here's his reservoir again, guys. The top is actually curved to fit with the tank, which is also curved, so that'll fit nice and flush, and it's got the Mayhem's logo on there, which is the sponsor of this build. Here's a quick look at the finished reservoir, guys. All polished up, all the scratches are gone, all the O-rings and screws there all fitted in, and the hole has been tapped so his fitting can screw in as well. Quite a nice look if you ask me when it's all installed. A few custom panels here and there, and you can see that everything is nicely installed while taking into consideration the airflow that's required. So there's enough room for air to flow in and out through there to make sure that efficient cooling is happening. A few vinyls here and there of the different sponsored components and everything that he's going to be using, and he puts that on the panel, and that'll be a nice clean panel down the bottom. Fantastic work. A bit of rust work that needed cleaning up. Definitely no problem for him. Just give it a bit of a wipe down and rip out the belt sander and get it looking brand new. And while he's at it, why not give it a nice new paint job and put some carbon fibre on it. Here we have some components installed, the motherboard and RAM and everything like that, and he's actually started his water cooling tubing. It's going to be a very clean look indeed. A bit of paint work on the frame, a nice red colour, really ties all of his build together. He also gave airbrushing a go, and on one of the motorbike panels he has put the Mayhem's logo over it and the Mod With Me logo as the official sponsors of this build. And here's the finished build, guys, all painted up, all polished, all finished, The nice logos on there. Looks very nice. I love the final results of this. Fantastic job. This is something that just really you couldn't even imagine doing. And the best thing about it is this whole motorbike still works. Now I know you guys are not sure if it still works or not, so I just want to show you guys a little bit of a video that he has provided for us, and it's actually going to be him taking the motorbike around the track. And here it is, guys. He's actually riding the motorbike around the track. Obviously needs to take it nice and easy because it can't be good for the PC components, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Certainly a unique build, so if you guys like this video, please leave a comment down below, tell me what you liked about it, and we'll see you in the next one. Click here to check out our latest custom PCs that we've built from scratch. Do you have a PC you want featured on the channel? Well, click here to see what other PCs have been featured. Are you into gameplay? Click here to see our latest gameplay content. Thanks for watching, guys. Your feedback is always helpful, so be sure to leave a comment down below and we'll see you in the next one.